Welcome to the TSEDA Guide to Recording Dialogue and Coding in Your Classroom. This video guide will focus on the different ways that you can carry out coding of dialogue in your classroom and the tools and templates that are provided in the TSEDA pack to help you do this. Thinking about how you'll carry out your coding will help you to fill in box 3 of your reflective cycle template. For more information about completing the reflective cycle before you start an inquiry, have a look at the TSEDA video guide on that subject. So that recording and coding dialogue is manageable, we're going to show you some tips and techniques to do this. Part H of the TSEDA User's Guide contains information about how you can code classroom dialogue. Section 2 of the TSEDA Core Resources contains templates for helping you to do different types of coding. We're going to have a look at some of these over the next few slides. First, you need to decide how you're going to observe classroom dialogue. 3 options given here are live coding, where you observe and code dialogue live as it's happening, and audio or video recording, which you can listen to or watch later. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages. Live coding is a practical option, but you could miss codes as a dialogue takes place. Audio and video recording mean you won't miss anything, but it can take time to go back over recordings. This diagram shows all of the coding and rating tools in the TSEDA pack that you can use to systematically record dialogue. We'll then have an in-depth look at some of these tools. Template B is useful for live coding. You can select a few students, decide which codes you're looking for, and then make tallies when you hear these codes during short observation windows. Other coding templates available in the Editable Resources section of the TSEDA pack include a template for coding audio or video recorded dialogue, and a student self-audit for evaluating group work. There's more information about observation and coding in your pack and online, and you can decide what's right for your classroom and inquiry.
Created using Powtoon.